Welcome to a fast and easy way to make an appointment for your online test using Calendly. Let's get started. You will receive a text message that tells you what type of test you will take and a link to the website. Click on website link to make an appointment. Remember to choose a time when you can be in a quiet room so you can complete the test without distractions or interruptions. The testing process will take 1 hour and 30 minutes. Scroll down and choose a date from the available dates in blue. Choose a time and click Confirm. Type in your first name, last name, email address, phone number, home address, and if required, click on the type of test you are taking. Finally, click Schedule. You will get a confirmation page with the name of your testing proctor, the name of the test, and the time and date of your test. A calendar invitation will be sent to your email address. Check your email for the calendar invitation. It will give you the time and date of the test and the link to take the test on Zoom. If the date and time are correct, click Yes. On the day of your appointment, return to this email and click on the Zoom link. It will take you directly to Zoom, where your testing proctor will be waiting for you. Thank you for making an appointment and for testing. Enjoy the rest of your day.